Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Tuscaloosa, Alabama. This ride takes us along the Western Riverwalk Trail, a quieter stretch of Tuscaloosa's riverfront that runs along the western bank of the Black Warrior River. Compared to the downtown section, this part of the Riverwalk feels more open and relaxed, offering long views of the water and surrounding green space. The Black Warrior River has been central to life in Tuscaloosa for centuries. Long before European settlement, indigenous peoples lived along these banks, relying on the river for transportation, food, and trade. When Tuscaloosa developed in the early 19th century, the river became a key commercial route, moving cotton, timber, and other goods throughout Alabama and beyond. As we continue along the West Riverwalk, notice how the trail emphasizes natural scenery. Wide grassy areas, tree-lined sections, and unobstructed river views make this stretch popular with cyclists, runners, and people looking for a quieter outdoor experience. This area also reflects Tuscaloosa's changing relationship with its riverfront. For much of the 20th century, large portions of the riverbank were dominated by industrial and utility uses. Over time, city planners and community leaders pushed to reclaim the shoreline for public use, leading to the expansion of walking and biking trails like this one. The West Riverwalk also offers a reminder that the Black Warrior River remains an active working waterway. Barges carrying raw materials still move through this corridor, connecting Tuscaloosa to larger river systems and reinforcing the river's ongoing economic importance. This section of the Riverwalk highlights a different side of Tuscaloosa, less busy, more reflective, and closely tied to the natural landscape. Thanks for joining us on this bike ride in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Thanks for watching!